Good morning, Hyderabad. Today is wonderful sunny morning. The date is 13th December 2020 and we are at Aminpur Lake, a place within Hyderabad. My son Avidipto and my daughter Avinandana are doing video recording for me. When I'm talking about the year 2020, let's go back 1,000 years, 2,000 years, lakhs of years, crores of years. Let's go back to 1400, nearly 1400 crores years back. What was there at that time? This earth, sun in front of me, Jupiter, Mars, Saturn, the planet system, the solar system, Proxima Centauri, Andromeda galaxy, everything was there together at that point of time. I'm talking about 1400 crores years back. Together they took a shape like one big egg, and we call that egg as cosmic egg. At that time the explosion happens, and the explosion is known as Big Bang. And after that, as a result of the explosion, 1400 crores years after, today when we are talking in 2020, we are seeing the shape of this universe. Now the universe looks like solar system, galaxy, planets, satellites, everything is there. And our earth is also there. My earth, our earth is the part of the universe. I have talked about 1400 crores years back. And we all will be astonished to know I am sitting on a rock. I am sitting on a rock. The rock just behind me, those are all old 250 crores years. So really, at this moment, I am in the journey of history. 250 crores years back, the rock I am sitting, I'm amazed to see the age of this rock is 250 crore years. And this is the history of Hyderabad. So this was really dated by the geologists and scientists of the world, and they have calculated the age of this kind of rocks as 250 crores years. Hyderabad is situated on Deccan Plateau. In India, the map of India, if we see, the below part of India looks like a triangle, and within that triangle there is a tableland, heightened land. So average height of the Deccan Plateau is really from the mid of India. If you can go up to Kerala, the triangular shape land, heightened land, really that land is typically 600-meter height from the sea level. So that heightened land is known as the Deccan Plateau, and Hyderabad is situated on the Deccan Plateau. So the characters of Deccan Plateau, specifically Hyderabad, so this kind of rocks formation we can see. So if we can see more rocks around me, these rocks were more in number, but urbanization took place and those rocks were rooted out from the Hyderabad, and lot of buildings have come up in this city. So rocks are really vanishing. Some rocks is wonderful. If we can focus at your backside of Avidipto, one rock will be balancing, just balancing. Sometimes you will be thinking that rock will be falling, that boulder, upper boulder will be falling immediately, but it is not really happening. This balance is wonderful. Throughout the Hyderabad, we can see this kind of balancing rock. One rock is balancing above other. In that way, still those rocks are existing. NGO, few bodies are there who are fighting to save these rocks. One society, the name of one society is Society to Save Rocks. They have really doing very good work within Hyderabad to save all the rocks, and government identified few places within Hyderabad where this kind of rocks are protected. So that's a positive news about to save the rocks definitely within Hyderabad. And finally, these rocks are bearing the history of Hyderabad, the beauty of Hyderabad. And I must tell Abhidipto and Abhinandana, I will be calling you. Please stand in front of the rock so that you are doing video recording for me and continuously you are doing for me. For Hyderabad, we'll be doing lot of videos. So I want to show my son and daughter in this video. You can just stand in front of that rock. So you want to tell something?
Hi everyone. Hello. My name is Abhidipto. Hi, my name is Abhinandana, and we all love Hyderabad. We will do more shooting on Hyderabad so that people can know about Hyderabad. And we are here to spread this knowledge across all the people of Hyderabad and all the people of the nation also. And we will be successful. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you.
In the background, you are seeing wonderful blue sky, and these rocks are bearing the history of this city, of this planet, of this universe, more than 250 crores years. It is bearing the history of Quli Qutub Shah dynasty. It is bearing the history of Asaf Jah dynasty. These rocks are telling the history of Hyderabad in a very silent way, but sound is very powerful here.